Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see, bago na yung color ng hair ko because I colored it on my previous vlog and I will link it up here para makita nyo paano ko siya kinolor. But also right now, I will be talking about this mermaid curls that I have here. Ang laki. This mermaid curls that I have here. Ito yung dream ko talaga. Ito yung dream ko na gadget na pampa-curl kasi hindi ko siya ma-achieve sa ganito. Hindi ko ma-achieve yung kulot na gusto ko from this iron. So, hindi ko siya ma-achieve dito. So, eto na nga. Yan. I hope nakikita kasi ako hindi ko nakikita. Ayan guys, yung laman. Pag-open ng malaking box. Eto guys, I am very excited to show you how I get a mermaid kind of curl. Pero I'm sure hindi perfect kasi hindi pa ako sanay. But I'm excited to show you guys how to use this mermaid curls. And if you're interested to know and you're interested to see kung paano siya gamitin or you're just interested sa mga curls na ganyan, then please keep on watching.
Please show me the way, baby, to your heart. Please.
Okay, so, eto na nga, yung laman niya. Ayan, diba? It's so cute. I love the color. Eto, pink siya, and then there's like a standee here. Eto bang, parang ganyan. So, if mainit siya, then ilagay mo sa sahig or somewhere, may parang hindi talaga hindi tatama yung eto sa surface. So, yeah, I love it. And also, eto siya yung nagbibigay ng mermaid curls na gusto natin lahat. So, yan. So, you just have to open it. Ganyan siya, guys. Pag open mo. Medyo, at first, siguro if hindi ka sanay ka lang sa mga ganito, siguro mag-a-adjust ka because malaki siya. And if hindi ganun kahaba yung hair mo, it's just gonna take one na ganito. Kasi yung iba, if mahaba yung hair, parang dalawang ipit ganun. Tapos, another ipit dito sa area na to. So, yun. So, if short hair ka, isang bagsakan lang and all. And this also has instructions. Pero, yung instructions na yun, nasa ibang part nandun sa part na yun. So, hindi ko na lang kukunin. I've tried using this naman. Alam ko na paano gawin siya. So, andito yung button. Andito yung turn on. And then, if gusto mo i-change yung temperature, dito. Kita nyo. Dito, i-click nyo yan. And then, meron din dito. I-click mo din dito if you want to adjust both. Ganyan. Nandito ang off. And dito mo makikita yung temperature na napili mo. So, basically, you can control everything. And, what I like about this is mabilis siyang uminit, guys. Gaya ng ulo ko. Charot! Hindi. Basta mabilis siyang uminit. So, pag plug mo, pag on mo, just wait. You just have to wait for like ilang minutes lang. And then, makukuha mo na yung desired temperature mo. Ayan. So, let's begin. Let's begin using this. Ipa-plug ko muna and I'll be back. Okay, guys. So, nasaksak ko na siya. At nakalagay dito off. Hindi ko siya I don't know if you can see. Basta, yun na yun. May nakalagay na off. So, alam mong off siya, diba? So, you just have to click that. And may kita mo 180 degree. Tapos, malalaman mo pag mag-180 na siya kasi may indicator dito. Actually, kasi ako, hindi ko siya tinignan nung first time kong ginamit. Like, nag-wait lang talaga ako. Literally, like, nung pinag-on, tapos 180, tapos naghintay lang ako. Ganun. So, nasa 67 na siya. Ayan. So, pagka 180 na niya, pwede mo na siyang gamitin. Ako, guys, FYI lang, I have very, very thin hair. Like, konti lang yung buhok ko, guys. So, kaya medyo mahirap. Ang ginawa ko kasi before, hindi ko siya ganito. I don't know if I can do it na parang dinidivide yung hair. Kasi nung ginamit ko to before, diretsong, ay, nami-feel ko na yung init ng ginanon ko. Ayan, malapit na siya, malapit na. And yung ginamit ko siya first, diretso ako sa buong buhok ko. So I think let's just do that, no? Kasi mahirap kasi na parang mas nakaka-focus ako pag nasa dresser ako, pero mahirap mag-film doon. So, ayun. I will try my best to show you guys how I use this. So, eto na lang siguro, diretso na lang kasi konti lang talagang buhok ko eh. Konti lang. At pinared ko to para maging Little Mermaid ang peg. Pero gusto ko din dito na area mag-start. Ayan, ready na siya, guys. So, ito na nga. We are gonna try it. So, konti lang muna, no? Nandito yung mirror, so I have to look para hindi tayo mapasok. Let's begin. Let us begin. Ayan siya, guys. Gusto ko kasing intense yung effect niya, so I'm just gonna have to wait a little bit. Hindi naman ako nagmamadali.
Please show me the way, baby, to your heart. Please show me the way, baby.
And ang next item ko, will have to be this. Yan. Ang likot kasi. Yan, guys, huwag kayong malikot pag ginagamit nyo to. Kasi you're gonna be burnt. Ayan na yung first. I don't know if kita nyo. Sorry, guys, hindi ako naka-contact lens, so hindi ko masyado nakikita yung camera. Oh my god, nag-fall off. Okay. Ayun! It's slowly coming together. And this is the front page. We have to... fudge! We have to... Mas better din talaga na may tumutulong sa'yo na maganito. Lalo na if short yung hair mo, para just a look out. Pero I think if masanay ka naman na gamitin to, it's very seamless na lang paggamit.
I want you told me you love me too. I wanna believe you. And
ang likot ko talaga. Ang sakit ng pasok, or... Yun! Nakikita niyo ng ka-mermaidan ko. Ayan. So, next item.
to your heart, and nothing is better for me to be with your...
Ayan, pag dito pala is dalawang ganyan. Pag dito. Pero if dito sa baba, isa lang. As you can see, love it. Next item.
Please show me the way, baby, to your heart, and nothing is better for me.
Ayan guys, so tapos na ako sa other side. Ayan. Diba? I really like it. And sa other side, hindi naman gano'n ka-flat and wavy. But here. Anyway, so gagawin ko din yung other. I really like it. Wait lang. Bet ko siya, guys. I really love it. Okay, so enough. Ito na sa other side naman, and I will be back. Papakita ko na ang sa inyo. Ayan guys, so I am done curling my hair with mermaid curls. And yan, ang ganda. I really like the effect. Mahirap kasi ito i-achieve sa mga, yung isang ganito lang, yung parang curler na normal. And mahirap din siya i-achieve sa, kung magaling ka, syempre siguro ma-achieve mo to kung magaling ka talaga. But for someone na basic lang yung alam, yung pagbo-blower ng hair, yung curling iron na normal lang din yung paggamit, then this is perfect for you because it makes your life easier and ma-achieve mo talaga agad yung gusto mong mermaid type of curls. So, and this is also very affordable, guys. Oops, inoff ko na. Na-off ko siya. So, ayan, madali lang, madali siyang gamitin and very convenient. It's really perfect. I love it. I love the color. And very easy to use kasi makikita mo dito yung temperature and if it's on or if it's off. And like I said, ito din, very important. If i-rest mo siya, meron siyang ganito. So, hindi tatama sa surface. Although, mag-a-adjust ka talaga because if sanay ka sa mga isang wand lang, mag-a-adjust ka kasi parang i-estimate mo saan ka magsa-start. But if you're able to use it naman how many times na, you'll be very, very expert na sa paggamit nito and mas madali and mas mabilis. Yes. And ayun nga, I really love it. I highly recommend this to everyone who really likes this type of curl. Then check them out. Give them a message sa Instagram and you'll get it. Ayan na guys. So I hope you like it. I hope you like this video. Wait lang. Gusto ko talaga yung peg. Although alam ko parang ang putla ko tingnan dahil sa color ng hair ko. Parang ganun talaga no pag nagpaparad ka ng hair. Parang sobrang pale. Naglagay na nga ako ng ng blush pero parang pale ko pa din. But ayun nga, ito yung nagdala, yung curls ng buhok ko, ito yung nagdala. So yes, I hope you like it and I also hope that you like this video and don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my Instagram account. I'll see you guys on my next vlog.